If you're facing a problem where you don't know how to fix Fortnite cannot add friend in 2026, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. The first thing you want to do is check if the server is down. Just go to status.epicgames.com, and if it says all systems operational, then that is not a fault in yours or their side. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your in-game menu by clicking on this burger icon and click on the settings icon. Once you've done that, you want to simply make sure that the region is selected properly and that is not completely different. Also, the other thing you want to do is put the friend invite permission to anyone, and then make sure that you're not blocked from the person who is adding you or you are adding them. Also, make sure that 2FA is enabled, which will keep you safe. And finally, if you have a kids account, then check on your parental controls if friend request is selected on everyone, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.